Good morning, everybody. This is Food by Faith Garden to Table, and welcome to my morning walk. So, as I was walking on yesterday, I saw so many things that I thought my garden family would be interested in. So, I am going to take you just on a short walk with me, and I want to see if you can identify all the plants that you see. Let's take a look. It's like crazy amazing when you go different places what just grows naturally. No one has come along and fertilized. No one has come along and put out any bone meal, any blood meal. The things are just naturally growing. And as I was walking yesterday to the bus station, I was like, oh my gosh. And me and my friend, I was just pointing out stuff, and she was like, wow. It's amazing what you see. And we all know that whenever you are foraging and things like that, you have to be really careful because there are a lot of look-alike plants. So just be mindful whenever you're doing that. But it is a very, very peaceful morning this morning. The sun is shining, but it is not extremely hot out. It's just beautiful. And I was taking a walk to a local coffee shop and was like, let me take my people to the coffee shop with me. And look at all the different patio gardens. They even have a sunflower growing right on their small patio. But sometimes I truly believe that we don't take the time to take in just the simple beauty of each day. There are a lot of times in life we make things so complicated and so stressful. And I know that there are times where we have to be busy, and there are times where we have to get things done. But there should also be a time where you can relax and absorb what's right in front of you. And you should always make time to live in the gift that is called the present. So guys, thank you for coming along with me on this short little morning walk. I'm gonna continue walking, but I wanted to just bring you along so you could see the flowers, the berries, the bees, and the trees. I want you to have a great day today. I want you to take a moment to stop and smell the flowers. And remember, as always, get up, get out, and grow something. And have faith in our food.